Hello everybody, I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to learn some vocabularies about cooking. This is cooking part 1. Also, please watch the video till the end. I have left 3 questions for you. Write your answers in the comment section below. Without further ado, let's get to work. Measure, measure, weigh, weigh, sift, sift, shake, shake, chop, chop, melt, melt, whisk, whisk, pour, pour, grate, grate, grind, grind, add, add, sprinkle, sprinkle, squeeze, squeeze, spread, spread, drain, drain, flip, flip, mix, mix, shred, shred, knead, knead, mash, mash. Okay, it's your turn. What is this called? What about this one? And the last one.